Hi everyone, it's still bloody hot. I had a gardening job the other day where I was on my hands and knees for 3.5 hours in 29-30 degrees. It wasn't pretty. So at a time that's pretty tough for gardeners generally, this heat, I mean here in the east it's been about 6 weeks I think. So just to add insult to injury, I think a hosepipe ban is coming in tomorrow. And I totally understand we have to conserve our resources. I'm always going on about it in my videos. But it is a bit rich when you see water leaks around town that happen for months and months and months of water just flowing and flowing before it's fixed, and then 4 or 5 weeks of hot weather and there's a ban on. I'm not one to wholly criticise a lot of the services, but sometimes some of these private companies like the water companies, they take the piss a bit. Just cleaning up a load of waste I threw down here probably about a month ago. Generally I do stuff, leave it for a while, then go back to it and I feel a bit more enthused again. This is going to seem stupidly obvious, but when you got prickly stuff, hawthorn, rose, that sort of thing, bramble, when you're getting rid of it all, it's a lot easier to manage when you chop it all up into small sections. It's a lot easier getting it in the bag, and it's just a lot more manageable when it's all cut down. It's quite therapeutic snipping away too. As usual, I've got my normal executive safety gear on. have to see this. You see that? Crocosmia growing out of the side of the wall. Looks like a sweet pea has seeded itself down here as well, in between the engineering bricks. Little bonus for the chickens. Hello girls. This Virginia creeper takes over. We've had it for donkey's years. Trouble is, under there there's a clematis, under there is a holly. It just covers everything, takes over, so I'm pulling this one back this year. So what I'm going to do now is edge all this off. Now we've got the Virginia creeper out of the way. I'm going to go through right up to the bay at the end and just square it all off. I've just got to say, the smell of bay when you're cutting it, oh, wonderful. It's a bit better. I do these with a pruner. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed it. Another short one. If you remember, please go to gardeningdiary.co.uk for your product reviews and interviews, things like that, mainly video work. And go to gardeningnews.co.uk for all your gardening news with a lean to sustainability and things like that. Anyway, see you next time. Do what makes you happy. Catch you later.